Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing and review video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple Watch Series 8. This is going to be the 45mm variant. I am using a little bit of a different recording setup today, so hopefully it looks pretty decent. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this guy out of the box. Alright, so here is the Apple Watch box. So it has these like little tabs on the side that we just pull up. And then, yeah. Here you go, so it unfolds nicely, got a little nice design in here. I think it's actually supposed to be this way, but this is going to be the actual watch and then the band separate, which is a little odd. I thought they would be like in one box, but yeah, let's go ahead and get this open. I got the product red band, as you can see here, so it matches my phone. But let's go ahead and carefully take this off. So there's the watch in there, and I'm guessing this is just going to be the charger and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just like a how to attach it to the band and all that. So I am probably going to need that actually, because I've never had an Apple Watch before. So here's another like pull tab thing to get this guy out. All right, there we go. That's actually a really small charger. I like that. And then here is the actual Apple Watch. So this guy is pretty small. This is the larger watch that they make. I think this just slides out, or how's it slide out? Slides out from the top. All right, so there's that watch, as you can see there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side real quick, and we're gonna take a look at that band really quick. So here is the band, and this just has one little pull tab right here. So let's get that undone, and slide this guy out. So this shows again how to attach it, but larger instructions. So this is going to be the product red band here. Let's see if we can get this out. So that's one half of it, and here's the other half of it. So looks like these just slide in from the side. Figure this out real quick. So this slides in here, and then this one will slide in as well. All right. Do I need to press these in at all? Why does this feel loose? Oh, there we go. Now it's attached. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. All right, so here's the watch on, and I'm just gonna hold down the power button real quick. All right, so we got the Apple logo. Let's wait for it to boot up on here. All right, it says low battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger real quick, and we will be right back. All right, so the charger actually didn't reach all the way over to this part of my desk. So it wants me to bring an iPhone close to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone really quick. Let me enable Bluetooth and all that. Give me one sec, guys. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue, set up for myself, hold this up to the camera. Huh, interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the setup really quick and get this all ready to go. All right, guys, so I got the watch all set up. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here for you guys. There we go. So this is the watch. Something kind of cool is you can like cycle through the moon phases on this wallpaper. That's kind of neat. So one thing I was testing out a little bit, it's still low battery, so try to do this quick. Interestingly enough, I can't use the ECG app on here because I'm not old enough, so I thought that was kind of weird. But Find My Devices works on here. I'm not going to show that because I don't want to dox myself. But heart rate app, that works. Can go ahead and hit measure, and it runs through all that. So standard smartwatch stuff, it definitely does. One thing that's neat though is I can play my music on here. All my music is here. Going down scrolls through all my albums. So I have them downloaded to my watch. I'm not sure how many gigabytes of storage this has on it. I'll list the RAM and the storage here, so you guys can see that. But yeah, you have access to the app store, so you can download all your apps on here. If it loads up, yeah. So continue. So yeah, you can get like all the stuff on here. Okay, so one thing that's really cool that I found out is there's this walkie-talkie app. So I have my mom on here currently. I'm not gonna do it right now, but if you tap on the name, you can hold down like a little walkie-talkie button and talk back and forth like a walkie-talkie. So that's pretty cool. So the side button lets you close your apps, and then you can actually press on this crown here. So that's like its own button. Then this is a button. There's a microphone here, and then on this side there's the speaker. So another cool thing, if I have my phone here, you can actually open up the camera app, and it opens it up on your phone. So now if I point my phone around, I can see it on my watch. So you can like do that, which is pretty cool. So if you set up your phone on like a tripod or something, you can also change it from front and rear camera. So if I'm here, change it to front camera, then I can hit done. Then you can see like my recording setup and all that. But yeah, you can change like the flash to be on. You can do live photo on, HDR on or off, and you can also go here where you change like the timer. So if it's taking a picture like that, so then I can hit view, and then that's the picture that it took. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. I do like it a lot. I'm sure there's lots more it can do, but I'm just not used to it yet. But yeah, this is going to be my short little review for this guy. I'm going to throw it on the charger. But shout out to my mom actually, because she's the one who got me this. So I really appreciate it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you guys have any tips for what else this guy can do, please let me know, because I am curious. But that concludes my review on this Apple Watch Series 8. I really like the black and red combo. It matches this, and it matches the phone and all that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.